Oh, hi.
Ooh, y'all, the shrinkage is real. Is it Rhassoul or Rhassoul? I don't know. Anyway, today I'm going to try Ghasshoul Clay for the first time on my 4C hair. And I'm saying 4C, and this will be the very last time that I say 4C because I've learned recently that this hair typing system that we've been using, it's very restrictive to our hair type because natural hair, kinky hair in general, is so much more, especially for type hair, is so much more than what they've just been showing. So these are the ingredients that I'm using today. I've decided to use aloe vera instead of water to mix in with the Ghasshoul Clay because I want to maintain the pH balance of my hair, and aloe vera will do that. So the Ghasshoul Clay that I found is one from Amazon from the Blooming Herb shop. It had a lot of good reviews and this is my first time using it, so I'm very excited. I am going to pour in a cup of aloe vera juice. So this is what the Ghasshoul Clay looks like. It is a reddish fine powder, and I am using 3 tablespoons to mix in with the aloe vera juice. I am also going to mix in some peppermint oil and some tea tree oil. I like using peppermint oil and tea tree oil in everything that I use because these two oils, I really like them, and I like the fact that the peppermint oil is refreshing and will stimulate my scalp. So these are essential oils, so I'm just adding a couple of drops of each. There we go. And now this is ready to mix. Don't mind my singing. And now our Ghasshoul Clay mix is mixed and it's a bit of a runny consistency, which I don't mind because I don't know, I feel like it will work best if it's a little bit runny. So here it is. So this is my hair already in its shrunken state. It is already pre-pooed, obviously not detangled. So let's get in there, okay? Ooh. So make sure to use clothes that you don't really care too much about when doing this, because I'm already making a mess. Okay, let's do this again. Be a little more gentle. All right guys, so I think this mixture might have been a little bit too runny. Kessie, what are you doing? This is a way too runny. Oh my god. Okay, it's way too runny. It's spilling everywhere. So first lesson, make sure that the mixture is not too runny. I am going to add a little bit more of the clay in there, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I went off camera, and I added 1 more tablespoon of the Ghasshoul Clay in my little container here. I can already feel that this clay is really soft in my hair. I've used bentonite clay before, and it doesn't really make my hair that soft. Like, I can tell that the bentonite clay cleans my hair, but it doesn't make it so soft right off the bat. So this is good for the Ghasshoul Clay. This is so messy, y'all. So I massage it on the scalp when I'm putting it, because my scalp is always one of my problem. My scalp is always one of my problem areas, and the more love that it can get, the happier I am with it. So I put a good amount on my scalp. Ooh, I am loving the definition that this product is giving me, y'all. Oh my god, it feels really nice. Oh my god, bentonite clay, what? I am a Rhassoul clay girl now. Ooh, the definition, the softness. There it is again. Yes. Yes, Lord. Ooh, this is nice. I love it. I am loving this. Oh my god. I've used bentonite clay for years now, and I've never tried Rhassoul clay. And now, oh my god, y'all, look. My hair has never been so defined. I've never tried Rhassoul clay, and I don't know why the hell I haven't. I've been natural for 6 years, made a lot of mistakes in my natural hair journey, because the reason why I feel like I made so many mistakes with my natural hair is because I was learning to love a part of myself that I had never met. No one while I was growing up ever taught me to love my natural hair. Nobody, not a single soul. So when I decided to chop off all my hair at 15 and just, start all over again, it was a brand new experience for me. It's like trying to learn about this part of yourself that, first of all, you never knew, and second of all, you were conditioned to dislike. And that's basically what happened to me. Oh my god, see how my hair is clumping together? Oh my god, this clay is the bomb, y'all. I did my first big chop when I was 15, and then I could not handle my hair, so I put on not a relaxer, but one of those ones that they claim to be a little softer, but it's a lie. It's still a relaxer. I don't remember what they call it as, but they claim that it's less harsh to your hair, but it's still a relaxer. Long story short, my hair fell. I did my second big chop in 2014, and that's the date that I go by now. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop yapping and just put this product on my hair and Okay, so this is my hair completely saturated with the Ghasshoul Clay. This is the front. This is how it looks in the back. So I'm gonna leave this on for 20 minutes and then we're going to rinse it out. I rinsed the clay out of my hair and my hair is literally still dripping wet, but I wanted to show you guys how it looks straight after the clay treatment. My hair feels really clean, like squeaky clean. I don't mind that, and my definition is really really nice. Like, look at this. The back looks really nice. The front definition, well, that's my problem area, but it still looks really good. I really love the definition that I'm getting. Yeah, so all in all, I say I really like the Ghasshoul Clay. One thing is that I thought my hair would feel a little more moisturized after I use it. It doesn't, but not in a bad way. Like, I still can feel like my strands are healthy and stuff like that, but it's just not as moisturized as I thought it would be. Maybe because I didn't really mix any oil in the mixture, but it still feels really nice. And it, even though it doesn't feel as moisturized as I thought it would, it still feels more moisturized than when I use bentonite clay, if that makes sense. So now I am going to deep condition and then style, but before I did that, I wanted to show you guys how my hair looked after the clay wash. So this is the front, and this of course is the back. All right guys, so now I'm back with the styling. Oh, is that what I had on? Oops, hold on. Huh. Okay, not quite what I wanted. So let's try one more time, shall we? Ooh, hello volume. This is much better. Yes. Let's also change this outfit. Ooh, yes. That is much better. All right, well, this is the end of my video. This is the final result after I've worn my hair in twists for a whole week, and this is what happens. This is how it looks. Overall, I really liked the Ghasshoul Clay, and I know that I'm going to continue using it in my hair from now on, and it's going to definitely be part of my regular hair care regimen. And thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Bye, and see you next time.